Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm back with a new video, and today we are featuring RPG Show Lifestyle. So big shout out to RPG Show Lifestyle for sponsoring today's video. So let's jump into this look. So today we have the wig named Wigs by Charisse 003-G, 16-inch natural color curly, silky curly texture hair. She's 16 inches in the natural color. This is a circumference of 22.5-23. So this is like a medium cap size, average cap size. So the lace construction is a 13x6 Swiss lace front wig. She's also 200 density, and the lace color is light brown, and this is tinted transparent Swiss lace. The lace on these wigs are phenomenal. I say that all the time, but just take a look at this. You can't even tell that the lace is not cut yet. This is really good quality lace. So if you know anything about RPG Show Lifestyle, you know that they specialize in classy, professional style wigs. So you have realistic lengths, professionally styled and curated for the woman that likes a quality wig with a realistic look. So definitely check the link down in the description box if you are interested. But for now, we're going to jump right into this install. This was my first time working with a curly texture from RPG Show Lifestyle. So I was very excited because all of the textures that I've done before have been like yaki or body waves, just straight hair. I have yet to try their curly hair, so I was ecstatic, okay? And they did not disappoint. The curls on this unit are flawless. So I used the Denman brush to define the curls. As you know, this wig comes ready to wear, so I didn't have to bleach any knots or lift anything. I didn't have to tweeze anything. What I did in this clip here was just wet it down, add some Lotta Body mousse, and use the Denman brush to define the curls. That's all I did, and I let it air dry, and it is so gorgeous. These are like the perfect ringlets, and the 200 density really pops on this unit. With it being wet, it's still very, very full. So this did come styled in the center part, but what I decided to do was style it in the center part, side part, and then we had to do a little spin at the end. So originally I was gonna go with the half up, half down with the two little pieces in the front. That's like my go-to style. But I felt like it's getting repetitive. Like I've seen this style quite a few times with this texture. So then I opted for just a high ponytail. I do like the way that looked, but in the end, I went with just a half up, half down. This install is glueless, but for the high ponytail styles, I do use adhesive on my ear tabs just to keep it in place. But these units are able to be worn completely glueless, which I love because that preserves the quality of your lace. So I absolutely love this. The curly unit did not disappoint. This is being added to the RPG Show Lifestyle playlist. Like, it's just gorgeous. And this unit is available in a few different lengths. So definitely check all the links down in the description box. All details will be down below. If I do happen to have a discount code, that will be down below as well. And thank you again to RPG Show Lifestyle for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to y'all, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.